Leads are down, costs are up, closing rates are not what they used to be. And there are no shortage of companies whom you might be competing with who are bidding roofs literally at prices lower than your material and labor costs. And for many, it's seeming pretty challenging out there. And that's why I'm making you this video. See, I sat down in my journal and I started thinking through what are all the different ways that in the past I have used to drive sales without having to spend more money or effort on marketing for new ones. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you these 7 different techniques that I've put together that I've used in the past to seemingly create opportunities out of thin air. Now I realize they're not, because what we're gonna do is turn to your CRM, your pipeline, and reactivate them to create opportunities where many roofers, by the way, are thinking, I need more leads, I need more leads. Where's the best lead source? LSA is dried up, PPC is dried up, Facebook's getting me poor quality leads, or Meta is getting me poor quality leads. Well, guess what? If that's you, you're gonna love this video. So before we get started, I just wanna say welcome and welcome back. My name is Adam Bensman, the founder of the Roofing Strong Alliance. And if you haven't seen the news, the community, the training and growth community that I was running called the Roofing and Solar Reform Alliance was acquired by TAMCO because I sought them out. I knew they'd be the great partner to help me bring even more value and now make membership available at no additional cost to the TAMCO Edge contractors. If you want to learn more or join us, click the link in the description or go to rsa.pro. Now let's rock and roll into this video. I'm going to be going through this list from 1 to 7, starting at the most obvious and then going a little deeper into some more sophisticated techniques that you can use. All right, let's begin with number 1 on the list, which is rehash. Now, rehash is simply re-injecting some new life into previous opportunities. And again, there are retail-driven companies, some storm companies as well, that have a rehash part of their sales process. And just as an example, they may have a process that says the salesperson runs the appointment, the in-home presentation, and if the deal is not sold, then 24 hours later, it goes to inside sales, and they call and ask how the appointment went with the homeowner, if their questions were answered, and they will have an opportunity to try to advance the sale or close the sale over the phone. Other rehash may include a process that after, let's say, 7 days or 14 days, there's a, hey, let's put some more touches on this opportunity and add more value and try to win the business. But there's even easier ways to do it, which I'm going to share with you. Number 1, here's a couple of templates you can use. Number 1, the are you still interested? Hey, are you still interested in getting your roof replaced? Very simple, close-ended question, short, punchy, and easy for people to answer. Another one, have you given up on your roof replacement? Another one, hey, it's been a while since we've heard back after our visit going through your roof replacement. Is everything okay? These are just really simple ways to get people to re-engage. And one thing I've found, especially when using text or email, the easier it is for a prospect to say yes or no, the better. Because getting an answer, even if it's a no, frees up your time to say, okay, well, I don't need to be spending time or bugging them because they just told me they're moving on. So now I have my focus on opportunities that are more realistic for me to pull some value from, and by, of course, providing value to them. All right, number 2, I love this one, the promotion. Now, these promotions or special offers can be run in tandem alongside some financing offers, which, by the way, these are just examples only, but different financing offers or seasonal promotions. So you might be, again, doing a spring, a fall, a winter, or a summer promotion or special. So at the time of this recording, it is spring. So I might have a promotion say, get your home ready for summer, right? Or ready for storm season. We're running a spring special, and included in the spring special is a free shingle upgrade, free underlayment upgrade, $500 off your roof replacement, a free gutter cleaning, and take advantage of this incredible financing offer. And these are for illustrative purposes only. You could do something like 0 down, same as cash for 12 months, or affordable payment solutions available, affordable payment options available, something along those lines to drive some interest on affordability. And again, something new and urgent for people to say, hey, I want to act now or I'll miss out. And I could do an entire video. And if you're interested, by the way, drop a comment and just share it with me. I could do a whole video on promotions and the elements and psychology of promotion. But generally speaking, to make a promotion effective, you want a clear call to action, like call today or text today to schedule your blank. And then number 2, it's best served with some sort of discount or offer that goes away at a certain time, so folks take action before they miss out, before we move on. All right, number 3, I really like this one as well, and I've played with it. It's the new free offer. So many roofing companies are doing the same, like free inspection, free roof estimate. But when we think about like, what does a homeowner actually want? Oftentimes it's they want to know, what's the condition of my roof? What's the health of my roof? How much life is left on my roof? And for that, you could do something like, by the way, Cody Klein shared this in a recent interview. I love it. He calls it the roof report card, and he grades it A, B, C, D, and F, similar to a Scholastic report card, something that you and I may have struggled with back when we were in school. By the way, I get to say that because I was in the same math class 4 years in a row, but look at me now. So again, if a couple of those, like your free roof report card, a free roof health check, and you can explain what this means. It could be a full photo and video report, a lifespan estimate, right? A health condition, any of these that provide a tangible value that someone can see, touch, and feel what their roof looks like. And a couple other options that you could consider is even say, hey, we will keep your roof health check on record, that if you ever have any questions about the condition of your roof in the future, you just let us know. And as an example, let's say that homeowner went through an insurance claim in the next 6 months, 12 months, or whatever the case is. Well, you have a full photo video report as your roofing company on file to just share the condition of that property prior to any damage that may have occurred. And that could prove to be really valuable in supporting the homeowner. So again, there's the new free offer. Even if you offered a free inspection at PEF, you're simply packaging it up in a different way that provides even more value. All right, number 4 on the list is the price increase notice. This is really, really helpful to use. And I was actually in a roofing company's office. This was not very long ago. And at the end of the month, they received a notice from their distributor that there was going to be a price increase. And they just reached out to everybody in their pipeline saying, hey, we just got a notice that prices are going to be going up. And it's up to you whether or not you want to share the percentage, because I know, of course, that's material cost. But if there's any labor increases and again, we have your markup on product, we can say, hey, if you want to get your roof done, we have to move forward now before the price increase. If you reply today, I can lock it in for you. So that price increase notice does a really good job at taking folks who are like maybe on the edge or waiting to see what's going on to say, hey, if I don't move now, this is going to get more expensive. So anyway, really, really effective technique when paired with legitimate notices regarding price increases. All right. Number 5 on the list is very similar to a previous one I mentioned, which is number 2. It's a promo, but new affordable payment plans available. So being a roofing company and being set up as a dealer with whichever financing solution you may work with generally opens up opportunities within their financing offers for you to choose what you wish to offer the people that you serve. So if you introduced anything new, like a new option that wasn't shared before, whether it's a longer term or a lower interest rate, or there was any changes, this provides or could provide an opportunity for you to say, hey, new affordable payment plans are available. And you could even pair this, by the way, with strategy number 1, the rehash, and say something like, hey, it's been a while since we talked about your roof. We have new affordable payment plans available. Are you interested in revisiting? Be a great relevant reason to reach out. All right. Now, number 6, this one is something that I think has a potential to be really helpful right now, especially as we've seen some trends with homeowners. This is what I'm hearing, by the way, from roofers in the fields. Like a lot of homeowners are wanting to either push projects off, delay them, or move forward with repairs. So your outreach could be, instead of, hey, maybe you talk to them about a replacement, you say, hey, I know we talked about roof replacement. Does it warrant a conversation to look at the possibility of moving forward with any repairs? Now, what this can do is put homeowners at ease to say there may be an option for me to move forward with the repair. Now, what does that do for you? It opens up more avenues for you to serve. Now, a repair may or may not be the best path forward to the homeowner, but if they thought, oh, we're going to be spending $15,000 on this roof as a replacement, but we can move forward with a repair and it's going to buy us some more time, well, now you just got an opportunity to get back in the home, present a new offer, and showcase those 2 different options moving forward. So it's just another way to get back in front of the homeowner, provide value, and help them make the best decision for them, whether it's a replacement or repair, while again, initiating that conversation to remove some of that pressure and concern from a financial expense that the homeowner is about to receive. All right. And then number 7, this one is great. It's been a while since we visited about your roof. By the way, this number 7 is specifically for customers that you presented an estimate for. So they saw an estimate, you had a meeting with them, but they did not move forward. So this is the Revitalize all old estimates. And we can do this very simply. We can say, hey, would you like to see an updated estimate with up-to-date product availability and pricing? And it's a simple question. Do you want to see an updated estimate? Again, now anyone who hasn't moved forward could respond to that saying, hey, I'm actually ready to move forward now. Now, again, you can mix and match some of these strategies. As an example, would you like to see an updated estimate with recent products and availability? By the way, and then we can again use number 2, which is the special offer or promotion saying, by the way, we're running a spring special, which includes a shingle upgrade, underlayment upgrade, $500 off your roof. Again, all examples, free gutter cleaning. And we have this new affordable payment plan available that could fit nearly any budget. So that is just an example of kind of combining all of these elements. So my call to action to you is today, figure out which one of these items could revitalize, or multiple items could revitalize your existing pipeline to breathe new life into opportunities and get you in front of the people that you are meant to serve. If you like this video and you want more, I would love to join you in the trenches. We can have conversations like this in our private community, or you'll join me or our other industry experts for live interactive trainings, or simply tap into the on-demand sales training systems and leadership systems and recruiting systems that are right at your fingertips. Go to rsa.pro or click the link in the description to learn more, and I'll see you on the next one.